taken off these supports because we put some bulkheads in, and the bulkheads will hold the sides together. So the bulkheads are in, and it's creating strength from one side to the other. Put these enormous cabin sides through, some more beams up here, another mast and tabernacle here. And that means that this will be strong enough to hold the mast and of course the end of the cabin when we popped it back on. In between that bulkhead and the half bulkhead, we're strengthening timbers down, a strengthening timber across that engine bed, and that will make that into a whole structure in itself.
The floor bear is pretty much, you've got to try and keep it flat, and where the boat moves up and it moves down and it's flat, and we want it higher and we want it lower, it's got to be straight at the end of it. He's good at it.
One job, and not just a piece of wood resting there saying, oh, this is the wall. It's not the wall, it's something that's holding the roof up, stopping the boat spreading sideways, and this will also support the floor and the cabin above. He's making a carriage for King Charles, that's the king, and he wants a piece of Dunkirk little ship to put into the carriage a piece of Dunkirk little ship. This is a Dunkirk little ship. He wants it to have historic artefacts built into the carriage. So I'm sending a piece of this to Australia for him to use in his carriage.